Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically draw on your photos or videos on CapCut Mobile. So you're just going to actually go to text, which is here. Then you're going to scroll to the left and then you'll find the draw button and you're going to just press that. Then you can select any brush you want. There's like pro features, but there's also some free features like these ones. I'm just going to select like this one. You can also select a color for it. I'm just going to select this purple one here. You can also change the size, the hardness, and the opacity, which is right here. And this is where you can erase some stuff. And you can just simply start drawing on the image here or the video. You can also use like patterns here if you just select on it. They have a few they have a few patterns you can choose from. Like here, if you just selected like this one, you can like draw like a heart shape with those like patterns. And once you're done drawing, just press the check mark button. And that's it. You can move it around, but you can't really edit it anymore. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.